if I go to search, you can see like there's nearly 12,000 lessons available right across every area. And people have developed these resources, so you can go in and update them. Like I'm able to see there's someone that was doing series, parallel, and resistors, and I can use that in the circuit. Or this one looks great, so I'm going to click on this one. You can actually see, before you start the lesson or save the lesson, you can actually see what the lesson looks like and go, that would be really good. So I can go through the lesson and say, okay, there's going to be a drag one. So that's another feature on this one, is where you can actually drag the names and match them to the picture. So brilliant. Again, it's getting it interactive. Again, matching the names to the definitions. So that's another feature. So I can see that's really interactive. So it might be something I want to teach. So I can save that. And then I can save it into my folder. So I can select create a new folder. Let's call it resources. And just select that folder, and then you can open my lesson, and there you have it. You might want to change a few things on it, which you can do because it's now been saved. So this is how you'll save it. See it, sorry, as a feature where you've just brought in someone else's or not brought in your own PowerPoint. So maybe you've used someone else's feature. So again, you can change the color, so the color of the background, and you're only changing yours, which is great. Like you're not updating anyone else's because you've saved that. So that's that feature. So really someone has saved us a lot of work, and teaching has so much paperwork and admin at the minute. So that's what it's all about, is really saving us work.